everybody!
Welcome to the Chris&Teena Johnson Project. Today's episode is about...
Yes, today we have another Nadine West review. I got another package. Today we have another Nadine West review. I got another package.
I could give up shopping, but I'm not a quitter. This time the package is a little bit heavier, a little bit more stuffed. And you gotta be careful when you're opening these because it's the same container that you're gonna be shipping your items back unless you wanna pay for shipping material separately.
The first item that we pulled out was very sheer and it was really dark blue in color with lots of flowers, more of a cover-up. When I looked at the price list, it looked like it was $39.99 plus tax, so a little bit over $40, maybe $41. And then when we dug in a little bit deeper, I got these for $27.99. You can get these, I hope the size is right, these leggings, pants, and they're from Nadine West. They were sheer. Let's see how they'll fit in a moment. $27.99, so what, $29 maybe?
I need you to stop and subscribe, like and comment to our channel. The Chris&Teena Johnson Project can only survive if you like, subscribe and comment. Thank you, we appreciate you.
Now back to the review. And the third item in our bag is a gray sleeveless long shirt, almost a dress for $27.99, so maybe $29 with taxes. I am always amazed how much fits in this bag. And for item number 4, we have these for $34.99. Pants, or wait, they're jeggings. Not my favorite. Now let's look item number 5. I'm just gonna dump all of this out. More stuff. Whoa.
Please hit the like and subscribe button. It keeps our channel going.
The Nadine West package always comes with a return sticker and a list of items with prices, so you can always see how much each item costs. Let's see what's all here in this wrapped up thing. Item number 5 is a black colored t-shirt dress. It's nice, very soft, flowing. It's a little bit long, like almost down to the knees, a little bit by the thighs. And then item number 6, this one is a bottom and it is also legging kind of material. It's colored black with stripes going down. And here you can see the pockets aren't real, there's no zipper, it's like a jegging kind of thing. And you can see the price right there. Item number 7. Item number 7 is a top. And ew, animal print. Not a fan of animal print. Never have, never will. There's just some connotation to it. My mother taught me. And it's also from Nadine West. And here you see it. It's a nice long shirt. Anybody who likes that kind? Yeah. And that's the price. Leopard, no. And here, let's unravel what we have in here. Item number 8. It's a dark red, maroon, blood colored shirt, long sleeves. I like the sleeves, you can see later. Also from Nadine West. Very sheer, thin, as you can see. You probably need to double up for the winter with this one. And that is the price. Just add taxes. And then item number 9. This one is probably good for the office, anybody, or church, or any nice gathering. It's nice and sheer. And I will hang it up in 1 second. There you see it. Sorry, not hanging well, but I will show you in a moment. I will try all these on. So nice little buttons, looks nice, right? Item number 10. Who doesn't like tie-dye? Tie-dye, good for the fall, good for the winter. Nice one, Nadine West. I love it, just love it. In fairness, the material is pretty thick, nice, it's big, and I'll show you. That's the price, and I'll show you in a moment when I have it on. Earrings, yes, they sent me earrings. And what is this? What is this? Oh, okay, so you can buy this for $8.99. It's a $20 gift card that you can give to your friends. Very interesting. And this is me right now. The first item I'm going to try on is the burgundy t-shirt. Okay, a little tight, but I like the sleeves. It does look better with these jeggings, the jeggings with the stripes. Not too fond of the price. Here you see the supposed elegant shirt, also too tight. You can see all my rolls. Not happy with that. Here is the leopard shirt. Yay, I like the fit of it, but I'm not fond of the leopardy pattern. Nope. And here, oh, this long dress. Yes, I like it. Except remember the price. Not too happy with the price. And next, oh, I do like the back though. It's very different. Here, yeah, the sleeveless gray thing. And now the cover up. Yep, makes me look like a butterfly or a fortune teller of some sort, or an old lady. I don't know. Somebody likes it. And the price, yeah. And then you see that, there we go again. Oh, I'm showing you the leggings. These are the jeggings. Jeggings for people with big hips and big legs, not the thing. Pockets also make you look heavier than normal. If you want to go work out, I think you can buy jeggings elsewhere. And these are another jeggings with a ribbon. Yeah, just to accentuate your stomach a little bit more. And yeah. And the tie-dye shirt. Okay, everybody, let's just go to bed. I will buy this shirt for that price because I have nothing to do with my money. Okay, enough said. I don't know what else to say. Okay. Here are the earrings. These are earrings. They're silver. And this time they weren't in the earring holder. Yeah, they're just that kind. Those are the earrings. Do I have to say more? Alright, now to put everything back into the bag. Let's just roll everything up real nice. I'm just so glad that I was traveling growing up. My parents taught me how to pack traveling. Here's the earrings. I don't want to forget those. Don't want to forget the gift card. Here's that dress. Just roll that up real neatly and roll them up some more. Then, you know, I'm gonna put that in that tissue paper to hold them together. Put some tape on. There you go. And that way they'll stick together. Put them in the bag, and the tie-dye shirt and the other lovely items, roll them up, and in they go. And I'm just going to tape it up, bring them to the post office, and make sure that I have the shipping label on there as well. If you don't have the shipping label on, then you'll have to pay for shipping. Just going to make it right on top of the original shipping label and tape it up. Bringing it to the US Post Office to ship away. Putting those clothes on made me sweat. So if you guys are very good with your self-control, then go ahead, try it out. I wasn't really very happy. I think my colleague quits with Nadine West. I probably would utilize it if maybe if I'm unable to leave the house or something. I'm not really happy with it, but I mean, you know, in fairness, you can find same clothes like this at Cato, Walmart, Target, Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Kohl's, JCPenney, all these other places. But it's really up to you. It's in German, Geschmackssache, which means it depends on your preference, on your taste. But thank you for joining us for the Nadine West review, and hopefully it was helpful to you. And let us know in the comments. It doesn't matter when, even 3 years from now, comment here and let us know how it helped or did not help. All right, thank you and have a good evening.
Thank you for watching the Chris and Teena Johnson Project.